Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So we are on part 3 of our adventure up Highway 191 in our Arizona. We are on the Clifton Alpine Highway north of Morenci. And we've been through rain today. We've been through cold. It's 61 degrees right now. It was,
it got down to like 52.
Yeah, 52 back there on the high spot. We was at 9,300 feet elevation. It's 52 degrees, and I'm telling you, that's cold when you're used to it being hot. So we got our jackets on under our Nelson Rigg Solar Storm rain gear. The rain gear saved us today because we've been pretty wet, and then when you get wet, the problem is maybe you get wet, but when you get that 52 degrees when you're wet, it's cold.
Yeah.
So we didn't get real cold, but my hands got cold. I had my gloves off for a little bit, which was a mistake. So I got them back on.
I was starting to get chilled. That's why we stopped to put my jacket on underneath this.
Yeah, even when I had my gloves off, I'm not used to the Goldwing. Why didn't I turn on the heated grips? I didn't think of that. So now we got both her heated seat on, my heated seat on, my heated grips on, got the gloves on. We are nice and toasty now. Feels good.
Yeah. We're warm now.
Oh, yeah.
We're actually gone past where we had to turn around last time.
Yeah, right there where we just started this video. The last time we came in the Gladiator, that's where we had to turn around because of the forest fire up here. They had the road blocked. So no forest fires today, don't look like. I'm hoping we're out of the rain. I still see some clouds up there, but it'd be nice to have no more rain. Had to put the windshield up a little bit to keep the wind off the mic. We're going to finish this road one way or another.
And see where it leads us. We're actually going to see if we can find a road from the one town back to home.
Oh, check out these fir trees up here.
Yes, beautiful.
Yeah, spruce trees. They're beautiful. So now we're in new territory we have never seen before.
Right.
We got Cricket in the back.
Yep. He's back there. He's being quiet.
Yeah. Tell you, this 23 DCT Goldwing tour is nice. Not having to shift through all them curved stuff. No shifting, no clutching. It is super nice. We are enjoying it. We got the trailer on the back too, because we brought some snacks and stuff to eat on. We actually have our camping gear is in there. So if we did get up here and didn't want to go all the way back tonight, we could camp up here. We got a tent, sleeping bags, mattresses, blankets, everything pretty much as we need.
Yep. And we have a little food.
A little bit of food, snacks basically. We got some Vienna sausage and some Spam.
Yep.
We can eat some dog food. We're not going to starve to death. Got some chips and some bean dip. Do not enter when flooded. We won't. If we see water, you better hang on because I'm going to punch it.
Mm-hmm. Nice thing about the Goldwing, too, I get to go on the adventures.
Yeah. There's no way she could ride the 300L up there here. That thing, one person's enough. Two people you can do it, but very far of a trip. It's just not comfortable enough.
We've done rides on like the 250 and the 300, but it's rough on me. It's hard on my back. I already have back issues, and it really doesn't help much.
Yeah. This thing rides like a dream.
Yeah, this thing rides like a Cadillac. we're actually planning a trip before long to go see some family and stuff because I wasn't able to travel because of having surgery because my granny passed away and we didn't get to make it there. So we're going to go spend time with a little bit of family. Do that and then come back. Look to your left. What do you see?
Trees.
Trees. Look to your right and look. See what you see? Trees and rocks.
Rock. I was going to say rocks.
Look ahead and what do you see? Mountains. That's the most awesome thing I think is around here. It's like you can just like see forever and all you see is mountains all the way around you.
Beautiful.
Now, I do have to say my most favorite mountain so far that I have seen, of course, I've not got to travel a whole lot of different places, but of where I've gotten to travel so far, Colorado is my absolute favorite mountain.
Yeah, it's pretty hard to beat Colorado.
If I could handle the cold and the snow, that's where we would have moved. I know we would have been further away from the boys and everything, but still yet and Kayla and them, but Colorado would have been my number one pick if I could handle the big deep snows. I think snow is pretty, very beautiful. I love to see it, and I love to see it on the mountains, but I just don't know if I want to live in it. Not that much.
Yeah. Come to Arizona to get to warmer weather.
Yeah. I mean, there's places in Arizona that still get snow that if we want to go see it, I mean, it's only like about 4 hours and we can go see it.
Oh, it won't be that far. We can go 30 minutes to be in the snow.
Well, I'm talking about the deeper snow.
Yeah.
The deeper snow is like more further, like I said, about 4 hours from us. 5, something like that.
Up here be deep snow.
Yeah, it would be.
In the winter.
Yep. I think I could probably turn the heat off. My butt is getting toasty. Oh.
Yeah, mine's pretty warm. It is working.
Roasting and a toasting. Rick, okay.
What?
It said Rick.
Rick?
That's all it said was Rick and pointed to the left.
63 degrees now.
Warming up.
And sun shining. A lot of pines up in this area.
Yep, lots of pines. I noticed back there in that one area where there had been a burn, that where all the pine trees were burned, everything that was coming back was the, what's my tree? Aspen.
Oh yeah, aspen trees.
Yeah, it was all aspens coming back.
I don't know, but we went quite a ways since the roadblock place, and I've still not seen where the fire meets the road. Where the
I have not either. I have not seen no fresh fire.
yeah, for a reason to shut the road down, but maybe there is a place somewhere.
It said 233. That was it back there. A little bit after we went across from that store, because that's what it said. 233 was closed for the fire. Well, I have not seen nothing that is freshly burnt, unless if it's further back to the left or the right.
Well, you have to block the road down.
Well, they might have been blocking it because of smoke.
Maybe.
Because the fact that if the smoke was too heavy, they didn't want traffic coming through here and having crashes.
True.
But I've not seen no freshly burnt ground or anything.
Not yet, we haven't.
And we went how many miles since 233?
9 miles.
Yeah, 242 now, and I've not seen nothing fresh. I've been looking for it.
Crossed a lot of cattle guards. Now that might have burned up there. Of course, that don't look too fresh, but nah, that ain't that fresh.
No, because that was just in like the last month.
Yeah.
Month and well, I've been down and out for like a month, yeah. So it was a month and a half, maybe 2 months ago.
Yeah. Right through here it might have burned. Looks like. It looks like it burned here. The grass would start growing back already probably, so this could be it.
It could be. The bottom of the trees are burnt.
Mm-hmm. Deer.
Oh, he's pretty.
Beautiful.
Two of them. Two of them pretty deer.
That was a beautiful color.
Yeah, they both were.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a different color than I'm used to seeing.
Wow.
Mule deer. Had a lot of dark in it and black.
Well, one had some red in it.
Yeah. Red and black, and it's beautiful.
Oh, that almost smelled like honeysuckle.
Oh, really? I didn't even notice.
Oh, yeah, whatever that was, it almost smelled like honeysuckle. It could have been.
There's some flowers there.
Well, maybe it's a flower. Smell that?
Yeah, I do. It's them yellow flowers.
It's them yellow flowers. Wow, they almost smell like honeysuckle. Smell good. Look at the color of that tree.
Oh, wow.
The pines.
Yeah.
Love how they got that color and then the green just flourished off of it. Well, somebody hung a deer rib cage up in the tree.
Huh.
Or at least I think that's what it was, deer. It could have been bear or something, too. Ooh, look at that house.
Pretty log house.
That is beautiful. I love it. Wow, I like this other one, too. It's single. Ooh, they're all pretty. Look at that. Wow.
You can tell we're getting closer to civilization.
Yep.
I have no idea what size of town this is.
Me neither. Don't know nothing about it.
Never been here. I like the name of it.
Me too. Okay, I gotta do something about that. That's choking my neck. You got it too tight a while ago. Look at these little cabins.
Hmm. 'Cause 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 'cause
Wow, this is a pretty place. Now, I like this little area.
Yeah.
Wow. This is gorgeous.
Makes you think you're in Colorado, don't it?
Yeah, it does. This is the other mini Colorado. That's what we used to call Ponca.
Yeah.
But this one really makes you think of, because of the mountains like this, makes you think of Colorado.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I wouldn't mind moving here.
So this is Alpine.
I bet you they get snow, though.
Probably. Elevation 8,000 feet.
See, look, there's a couple little cottages that we could take over.
Uh-huh.
Fix them up and become our little home.
Can you believe we're down here and we're 8,000 feet?
Ain't that crazy? Springerville.
Yeah, Springerville. Which straight ahead, ain't it?
Yeah. This is a pretty cool little town.
Yeah, it is. I like it.
I like it. I like it a lot. Now, if we wouldn't mind moving to the snow, this would be a place to go.
Pretty up here.
Yes, it is. I love it.
Well,
yeah. Oh, sorry.
Well, we've never been to Alpine, Arizona, but we have now.
Yeah, we have now. Fixing to go to Springerville.
So we go from here to Springerville.
This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
We're going to end this video here, guys. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. We got lots more adventures coming on Woodzman Adventures. Check out the links in the description for all the Nelson Rigg gear. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Right on.